Hey everybody, my name is Derek from Battleborn Batteries, and today we're here to unbox. Today we're going to be unboxing our 12V GC2 battery to show you some of the protections that we go through to make sure that this battery gets to you guys at home nice and safe. As you can see on front, we do have our UN 3480 rated. That is going to be needed for the shipping of any lithium batteries anywhere in the US of A. Let's get this opened up. As you can see, every single one of our boxes is a double-walled cardboard in order to keep the protection for our 12V GC2. Inside every single battery, it does come with QR code and manual, so you can pull that information up wherever you like. Inside each battery, we do have this styrofoam that is going to be protecting your battery, and it is conformed to each battery exactly. Every battery comes with its own nuts and bolts on that side in order to get you the nice tight connections that we asked for. Each one of our 12V GC2s is a golf cart style battery. We use this for a lot of our drop-in replacements for those old AGM golf cart style battery. This is a 12-volt battery. It can be connected up in series up to 48 volts. And again, you can connect up as many as you like on these in a 12-volt parallel connection. On every one of our batteries, we do use a nice robust flag terminal so we can get our nice tight connections on there. And this is our 12V GC2, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let us know.